Before we can cut the gauge glass tube to length, we need to calculate how much is needed. The distance between the upper and lower fitting nuts is 3/4 of an inch. Next I measured the depth of the 4mm hole from the top of the lower fitting nut. This was 0.170 inch. Then the same with the upper fitting, a 2.4mm drill being inserted to represent the required water path. I don't want the glass to obscure the water hole. This dimension was 0.390 inch. The three dimensions give us a maximum total length of 1.310 inches. My piece of gauge glass was long enough for two lengths. I've got the digital caliper set to 1.3 inches. I mark a line on the tube. Using a corner of a 3-square needle file, I cut a notch in the glass. The file is hard enough, just about. I hadn't done this for a few years and was a little rusty. It breaks so easily and to the line. I trimmed the ends using a bench grinder, gently, and stoning the ends smooth with a fine Arkansas stone. This helps the seals pass over without being damaged. The length came out at 1.290 inches in the end.